Good afternoon, students. I am Ankita, teacher. Let us continue with the topic Getting to know the place we live in. Module 2 Historical Objects. Refer page numbers 34 and 35 in your textbook. A village, town, or city has buildings such as temples, caves, mosques, churches, memorials, forts, museums, etc. A place becomes known by these buildings. They tell us about the richness of the place. They help us to understand our history. These buildings are our treasures. They must be protected. To protect them is our responsibility. A place may also become famous because of a religious place, fair, or fort. For example, Raigad district is known for the Raigad Fort. World Heritage Day. 18th April is World Heritage Day. On this day, pay a visit to a fort or national monument. Learn about its importance. Collect information about the rules for protecting World Heritage Sites. Just as a place becomes renowned because of forts or historical buildings, it is also renowned because of its people and their good deeds. Let us see few examples.
Do you know? While returning from Surat, Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj stopped near Talegaon, Dindori, in Nashik district. He had set up his army camp or Tal there, giving the place the name Talegaon. Dhamargaon Path in Ahmednagar district was so named because formerly there was an abundance of dhaman trees there. There is a village called Ashtidhotar Jodyachi in Partur Taluka of Jalna district. Fine dhotar jodis of excellent quality were made there. This gave the village its name. Shivram Hari Rajguru was an important revolutionary in India's struggle for freedom. He was one of the three famous revolutionaries, Bhagat Singh, Rajguru, and Sukhdev. Rajguru was born in Khed in Pune district. After elementary education, he moved to Amravati. There at the Hanuman Vyayam Shala, he took up the cause of patriotism. At 15 years of age, he went to Benares to study Sanskrit. He knew several languages such as Marathi, Sanskrit, Hindi, Urdu, and English. Bhagat Singh and Sukhdev were his close friends. Later, he took part in revolutionary activities and became a martyr for the country. In his memory, Khed, his birthplace, was being renamed Rajguru Nagar. Sant Gadge Maharaj's real name was Devuji Jingaraji Janorkar. He belonged to Shengaon, that is Shengaon, in Daryapar Taluka of Amravati district. Sant Gadge Baba raised social awareness through kirtans. During his kirtans, he would ask people questions and answer them himself. Why are our people poor? because they do not have education. He appealed to the people to get educated. He is known as one of the great saints of the 20th century. His village will forever be remembered for his work in the service of people.
Similarly, collect information about soldiers, writers, artists, etc. in your neighborhood. After watching the video, take your EVS notebook and write classwork. Continue below yesterday's work. Leave a line, write today's date and classwork. Then, write the questions and answers as shown. Question number 4. Which buildings can be seen in a town? Answer. Buildings such as temples, caves, mosques, churches, memorials, forts, museums, etc. can be seen in a town. Question number 5. What makes a town famous? Answer. A town becomes famous because of historical buildings, religious place, fair, forts, and the good deeds of the people living there. For homework, number 1, you will read textbook page numbers 34, 35 and box the new words as shown. Number 2, refer textbook page number 37 and solve question B in the textbook itself. Thank you.